how to get a free $100 in promotional credit with Vultr. So the first thing you'll need to do is click on the referral link in the description below. Once you've done that, it will take you to vultr.com. Once you're here, you'll need to sign up for a Vultr account. So simply navigate to the top right hand corner and click sign up. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the account creation page. Here you'll need to put in an email address, a password, and confirm that you've read the GDPR privacy notice. Complete the CAPTCHA and then click create account. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to simply log in. Once you've created an account, you'll be logged into vultr.com. You'll then need to go to the billing tab on the left hand side here and the second option, left click on billing. Once you're on billing, on the top right hand corner here you should see that you have $100 promotional credit. To receive this, you'll need to link either your PayPal account or a credit card / debit card with your Vultr account. Once you've done that, you'll instantly be credited with $100 promotional credit. Once you've linked your billing information to Vultr, you'll also have a chance to earn a bit more promotional credit. To earn this, just simply click on products here on the top left hand corner. And then you should see this message in green which says, good news, your account can earn some additional free credit. Click here to view available promos. So just left click on this to see the additional promos. So as you can see, if you link your Twitter account, you'll receive $1 in promotional credit. If you follow Vultr, you'll again receive another $1 in promotional credit. And if you tweet about Vultr, you'll also receive another $1 in promotional credit. So let's do that now. Let's verify our Twitter account with Vultr. So left click on this button here and then click Authorize App. Once you've done that, you'll be taken back to vultr.com's promotional page, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that you have successfully claimed your $1 promotional credit. And now all you need to do is log into your Twitter account and follow @Vultr. And to get your final $1 of promotional credit, just send a customized tweet on your Twitter account mentioning Vultr and you'll automatically receive another $1 in promotional credit. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes this video. I hope you do indeed avail of the $100 promotional credit. As it's a great offer, you'll also be able to test Vultr's servers for free for a whole month. You'll also be helping me out, so you'll save a bit of money and I'll make a bit of money. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next one.